The 565 is such a good sized boat, plenty of deck space, fishing 3 up offshore. It's a really good sized boat. It's easy to handle by yourself, but if you want to take a few mates offshore, it does it all. We've got a great layout at the back of the transom here, really good for fishing. You got plenty of room to get right in the corner, nice high gunnels, everyone feels safe when you're offshore. In each corner, we've got 2 really good sized live bait tanks. It's good to have 2 so you can have squid in one, or slimies in the other, or you can just have heaps of bait in both of them. Both are plumbed, so you got heaps of water flow through them, and they drain back out into the bilge well, straight outside. Keep your baits in there all day for marlin fishing, kingy fishing, whatever you want to do. Nice and simple to use, and the snapper racks go around them, so when you've got the lid open closed, you can still use all your racks if you got some rods outside here. And yeah, just a really nice setup for fishing. Bait board's a great height and a really good size. You can clean your fish on it, plenty of space, bit of storage under there, and a good grab rail too when you need it. No shortage of rod storage on this boat. We've got 8 rod holders on the combing racks along the side here, and this is the first time we've put 10 racks on the rocket launcher, first time on a 565. So plenty of storage. You can take all the different types of fishing rods on your trip. Something we put on all our boats is our fiberglass wind deflector. It really serves 2 purposes. It stops any water sort of running up the windscreen and running over the clears if you've got them open, but it works really well at deflecting the wind. When you're standing back in this position with the clears open, it just makes the wind go over the top of your head. It's a really helpful addition and something we put on almost all our boats now. The 565 is such a fun boat to drive. It's really nimble and easy to throw around. It's super responsive to the trim. You can get them to run really, really well. We've got 4 people on today and it runs really nicely. We've got a Mercury 225 on the back. Nice storage pocket down the back here. We've got our deck hose in there when you need to clean up, and it's on a good cord so it doesn't get tangled. And just above that, we've got a plug for your electric reels, so a bit of deep dropping. Saves you having alligator clips going into the battery cabinets. Really good, neat, waterproof way to do it. Just close them off when you're not using them. On the side, we've got a set of swinger bases fitted. So we've got a 4.5 metre relaxed pole that goes into that. Really good spread. It'd be great for game fishing and really easy to use. We've got an Easy Tow alloy trailer. No maintenance with the full keel rollers. This one's fitted with a boat patch, which makes it really easy to retrieve by yourself. It's nice and simple. We're running a Mercury inertia prop on this one. We've got a 14.2 by 18 pitch, and this one works really well. We're getting really good revs. We're revving out to 6,000 RPM and a top speed of 81 kilometres an hour. In that mid-range, it's super economical. We're getting as good as 1.5 kilometres per litre. Congratulations to Alan. This is an awesome 565, and I can't wait to see the fun you have up in Sydney with it. Enjoy it, mate.